In this presentation, we are going to see about the Marketing, Research and Consumer Behavior Unit 3 for the course Cbm351 Hospital Planning and Management. This is presenting by Mr. R. J. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Aravani College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. Course objectives to study about to introduce the relevance of this course to the existing technology through demonstrations, case studies, simulations, contributions of scientists, national or international policies with a futuristic vision along with socio-economic impact and issues. The students should be made to understand the principles, practices, and areas of applications in the hospital management. Outcomes for the Unit 3. On successful completion of this course, the students will be able to explain the importance of supportive services. Information system. A marketing information system is a tool that helps companies gather and analyze information about their customers, competitors, and market trends. It helps companies make informed decisions about their marketing strategies and products. It's like a detective helping business solve the mystery of what their customers want and how to reach them. A marketing information system is a set of procedures and methods used to gather, analyze, and interpret information related to marketing decisions. Markets and consumer buyer behavior. Buyer characteristics, buyer decision making process has a marketing stimuli, product, price, place, promotion, environmental stimuli, economic, legal, political, technological, cultural. For buyer responses, product brand choice, retail, dealer choice, purchase timing, purchase amount, purchase frequency. Types of consumer buying behavior: variety seeking buying behavior, complex buying behavior, habitual buying behavior, dishonest reducing buying behavior. So cultural factors that influence consumer buying behavior. Let's examine some others. Cultural factors comprise a set of values or ideologies of a particular community or group of individuals. These can include culture, subcultures, social class, and gender as outlined in figure. Behavior model. Product development, targeted marketing, pricing strategies, optimized distribution, enhanced customer experience. Consumer behavior model. Traditional consumer behavior model, learning model, economic model, psychoanalytical model, socio-cultural models. Contemporary consumer behavior models, black box model, Hawkins Stern impulse buying model, Harvard Sheth model. Buying behavior. Complex buying behavior, dissonance reducing buying behavior, habitual buying behavior, variety seeking behavior. Decision process. In most cases, the consumer must go through multiple phases before making a final decision. Usually, the consumer phases through 5 stages: need recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase behavior. The buying process begins before the actual purchase is done. Global marketing in health sector. A common market further facilitates trade by lowering regularity and traffic barriers. The intensification of global flows of capital, goods, ideas, and people across borders, and the institutions and rules established to regulate these flows. The rapid flow of information, goods, capital, and people across political and economic boundaries. The speed of information, people, and capital mobility has changed, and the global participation has expanded. Easy for to reach other people anywhere in this world. Right to health. Globalization in the context of health may be viewed as a concreted double effort towards prevention, elimination, and eradication of disease and the promotion of human health worldwide. Market-oriented healthcare. In market-oriented healthcare, the patient is the customer and the medical care and service rendered by the doctor and the hospital and service traded in a demand and supply chain. The patient hopes to purchase all these at the lowest possible medical cost. Global trade in health services, globalization of health. Effects of trade liberalization on public health, cross-border delivery telemedicine, consumption abroad, commercial presence. Benefits of globalization of health services. Wider dissemination of knowledge technology, incentives for R&D for diseases of the poor, resources for effective interventions, new rules to control cross-border risks, global health governance, international collective action, global public goods for health investments beyond the means or incentives of any single government, new vaccine, development for neglected diseases, trade liberalization on public health, trade liberalization, removal of impediments to trade in goods and services, public health, organized measures to prevent disease, promote health or prolong life of the population as a whole. Of globalization of health services, exclusion from developed markets, economic shocks, lack of access to knowledge and technology, cross-border transmission of disease, marketing of harmful products and unhealthy behaviors, environmental degradation, conflict. Mode 1. Cross-border delivery of services. Shipment of laboratory samples, diagnosis and clinical consultations, mail. Electronic delivery of health services. Telehealth. Telediagnostic surveillance and consultation services. Telepathology, India to Bangladesh, Nepal. E-health products and services available. Implications, opportunities and risks of cross-border delivery of service opportunities. Enable health, promoting equity care delivery to remote and underserviced areas. Alleviate some human resource constraints. Enable more cost-effective surveillance of diseases. Improve quality of diagnosis and treatment. Upgrade skills. Disseminate knowledge through interactive electronic means. Risks: given lack of telecommunications and a power sector infrastructure, telemedicine may not be cost-effective, capital-intensive, possible diversion of resources from basic preventive and curative services, hurt equity if it caters to a small segment of the population, urban affluent. Mode 2. Consumption abroad. Health implications of consumption abroad opportunities for exporting countries. Generate foreign exchange earnings to increase resources for health. Upgrade health infrastructure, knowledge, standards, and quality for importing countries. Overcome shortages of physical and human resources in specialty areas. Receive more affordable treatment risks. Create dual market. Mode 3. Commercial presence. Establishment of hospitals, clinics, diagnostics and treatment centers and nursing homes and training facilities through foreign direct investment across border mergers and acquisitions, joint ventures and alliances. Opportunities for foreign commercial presence in management of health facilities and allied services, medical and paramedical educations, IT and healthcare. Movement of personnel. Wage differentials between countries. Search for better working conditions and standards of living. Search for greater exposure, training, and improved qualifications. Demand and supply imbalances between receiving and sending countries. Approach towards mode 4 trade in health services by exporting and receiving countries, whereas some countries encourage outflow, others create impediments. Health diplomacy. Global health diplomacy brings together the disciplines of public health, international affairs, management, law, and economics and focuses on negotiations that shape and manage the global policy environment for health. The relationship between health, foreign policy, and trade is at the cutting edge of global health diplomacy. WTO. The overall objective of the WTO is to help its members use trade as a means to raise living standards, create jobs, and improve people's lives. Global rules of trade provide assurance and stability. Consumers and producers know they can enjoy secure supplies and greater choice of the finished products, components, raw materials, and services they use. Producers and exporters know foreign markets will remain open to them. Textbooks referred for this unit: R.C. Goyal, Hospital Administration and Human Resource Management, PHI 4th edition 2006; G. D. Condas, Hospital Facilities Planning and Management, DMH, New Delhi 5th edition, April 2007; Caesar, A. Caesars and Albert Sarah, The Practice of Clinical Engineering, Academic Press, New York 1977. References: